This is an introduction to an application that I'm writing on the .NET MAUI framework. Basically, this is a new framework developed by Microsoft. It's open source, which is really nice, and it is a cross-platform development framework that can target many platforms like iOS, Android, Mac OS, desktop, and iPad, etc. So it's pretty powerful. The code base for this, I'm actually porting it from a previous code base. It consists of a text that's 2,096 pages and has 197 papers. It's a substantially sized text. I basically took the text and turned it into XML. So by doing that, what that allowed me to do, by creating the XML here, what I then do is I transform the XML into XAML. So this gets transformed into this for this application. And I also use T4 templates to create the code behind for the papers. So the app is essentially an audiobook. And what I've done is captured the start time, end time for each paragraph in the audio file. And that allows me basically to tap and play on a per paragraph level, which is what I'm really kind of going at for here. So for example, we can, let's open it up and try and tap and play one paragraph. It'd be nice if I could get access to the timeline collection, but that's not exposed in MAUI right now, so we're doing it another way. So essentially you can tap and play.
The Universal Father is the God of all creation, the first source and center of all things and beings.
And then you can tap and pause.
First,
or resume playing.
Think of God as a creator, then as a controller,
double tap, stop.
And lastly,
or you can start the whole paper. So essentially,
Paper 1, the Universal Father. The Universal Father is the God of all creation, the first source and center of all things and beings. First think of God.
So that's essentially the app. Like I say, it consists of 196 papers. So, you know, it's a pretty substantial app. It takes a long time to compile.
In the minds of the mortals of Urantia, that being the name of your world.
So far it's working pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with it. I can turn the paragraph markers off. And of course, this is just standard stuff. Set a setting, run it by basically using styles to do this. So the paragraph IDs will now no longer be displayed in the text where they were showing up before. So we'll turn them back on so you can see the difference. And of course, this navigation can be made a lot simpler with flyouts and bottom-up pages, etc. So now you can see the actual paragraph IDs for each paragraph in the text. So that's this is the first app I'm working on. It's hopefully going to develop into other apps for .NET MAUI. .NET MAUI is a powerful framework. I think it could be a game changer for Microsoft. I hope Microsoft really takes this seriously and invests in it and doesn't just treat it as a one-off, because this could be pretty important.